Hi, it's Jonny from Coffee Cup Solutions. We're here at DTX Europe today, looking at new technologies and catching up with one of our partners in particular, ControlUp. Hi guys, so we're here at DTX with Rob from ControlUp. He's going to answer a couple of questions for us. So Rob, what is ControlUp?
Good question, Johnny. ControlUp is a DEX management platform that enables you to monitor from the data center all the way down to the device in a single console.
Great, and how does that benefit end users?
Gives IT the visibility to optimize user performance, whether it's a data center issue, whether it's a virtual device, whether it's a VDI session, or whether it's an endpoint. You enable true visibility from end to end and the ability to remediate and optimize the user experience.
Fantastic. And what's next for ControlUp, Rob?
Good question. So I think we're going to continue to innovate within the space. We're going to move more into specific granular things on a device, maybe a bit more around APM, and let's see where the future takes us. But we're certainly going to be leading this space for a while.
Fantastic. Rob, thanks so much for taking time to talk to us.
You're welcome, Johnny.
Appreciate it. See you soon. So that was today at DTX 2023, catching up with ControlUp and looking at some new technologies. We've had a great day. The reason we wanted to bring this out on a hot coffee this week is because it's part of our managed service offering. Andy last week on Hot Coffee spoke about some security patching parts of our managed service, and this is just another string to the bow. We work with loads of different vendors that we're really proud to work with to create a perfect stack for our managed service and to create a service that fits every customer uniquely. If it's something you think your business needs, get in touch with myself or anyone else in the Coffee Cup team. We'd love to help. Speak to you soon. Thanks so much.